Norfolk is home to Virginia's first light rail line system. Opened in August 2011, the Tide runs more than 7 miles, with 11 stations serving neighborhoods, universities, and downtown Norfolk. Ridership of the Tide immediately surpassed initial expectations. The Tide now carries more than 5,300 weekday passengers and 4,600 passengers on a typical Saturday. Norfolk is also home to the world's largest naval base. Naval Station Norfolk serves as the home port of ships, submarines, planes, and helicopters, and numerous shore commands and support facilities. It is the largest employer in Hampton Roads, with more than 75,000 military and civilian employees. The vast majority of them, more than 90%, live off base and drive to work alone. The resulting congestion affects security gates and surrounding roadways, including Hampton Boulevard, Terminal Boulevard, and I-564. Captain David Culler, the current commanding officer of Naval Station Norfolk, has cited efficient transportation to the base as a critical issue to military readiness and noted that the Navy is interested in reducing congestion for its commuters. Along with the Navy, many local organizations and businesses, including Old Dominion University and the Ghent Business Association, have also voiced their desire for an expanded transit system. In 2012, the Hampton Roads Transportation Planning Organization conducted a survey and asked respondents, "What do you believe are the most important issues facing our region?" The top concern cited was highway congestion. The majority of responders then identified expanding the transit system as the most effective way to reduce congestion. Hampton Roads Transit and Norfolk City officials are committed to working together to address these issues. In October 2012, the Norfolk City Council requested a review of options for connecting the Tide to the Navy base. The Naval Station Norfolk Transit Extension Study officially began in April 2013. This study is the first step in a multi-year federal study process required to compete for federal construction funding. This study is separate from the Virginia Beach study that is looking at the extension of transit service from the Tide towards Town Center and the Ocean Park Resort area. That study is further along in the federal study process. In June 2013, the City of Norfolk and HRT conducted the first round of Naval Station Norfolk public involvement workshops. More than 100 residents participated and shared their thoughts on the travel needs between the Tide system and the Navy base. They repeatedly stated that an ideal transportation solution would include an extension of light rail service to local employment centers, neighborhoods, and points of interest within the City of Norfolk. Throughout the study process, Norfolk residents will continue to play an important role. Public comments, suggestions, and participation provide the study team with insights only available from invested and engaged community members. We want to know your thoughts on how best to solve the travel problems between the Tide light rail system and Naval Station Norfolk, and what your vision is for a successful transit solution. You can check the study's website at gohrt.com for more information, to submit comments on the project, and to sign up for newsletters and study updates. Thank you for your participation in the Naval Station Norfolk Transit Extension Study.